Welcome, Esparto Elementary School students. I am Mrs. Van, your principal, and we have Miss Rodriguez, our Dean of Students. We are recognizing our students of the month for being trustworthy. In Miss Becca's class, Giuliani. In Mrs. Lockett's class, Diego, Daly, and Mr. Pataki's class, Antonio, Leilani, and Alyssa. In Mrs. Valentine's class, Daniel, Haley, and in Miss Anderson's class, Camila. Edwin. In Miss Ringer's class, Aaliyah. Gerardo. In Mrs. Robles' class, Kylie, Emma, Gerardo, and Zoe. In Mrs. Scott's second grade class, Samantha, and Cash. Also second grade, Mrs. Calderon's class, Adrian, and Peyton. In Miss Fallback's second grade class, Shaylin. And Sophia. We also have Fernando. In Miss Montejo's third grade class, Kevin. Miss Martinez, third grade class, Natalie. And Addison. In Miss King's third grade class, Emily. Christian. And Camila. In Miss Thompson's fourth grade class, Jimena. Jacqueline. Angelica. Oceana. Kedron. Jonathan. And Gervier. In Miss Miller's fourth grade class, Blanca. And Alan. In Miss Stoddard's fourth and fifth grade combination, Anderson. Yareli. Jackie. David. And Miss Thompson's 5th grade class, Adon. Jaslyn. In Miss Guerrero's 5th grade class, Edgar. Sophia. Mason. Thank you to all of our Esparto Elementary stars for being trustworthy. Next up, we have our Lexia Level Up Achievement certificates. These students have passed a level in Lexia during the beginning of school through the end of September. Miss Lockett's TK class. Kindergarten, Mr. Pataki. Kindergarten, Mrs. Valentine. Mrs. Perez's kindergarten class. In 1st grade, Miss Ringer's class. Also 1st grade, Miss Robles' class. And Miss Anderson's class. In 2nd grade, Mrs. Calderon's class. Miss Fallblack's class. Mrs. Scott's class. And 3rd grade, Miss King's class. In 3rd grade, Miss Montejo's class. In 4th grade, Miss Miller's class. And also 4th grade, Miss Thompson's class. Our 4th-5th combination, Miss Daughter's class. In 5th grade, Mrs. Thompson's class. And finally, Mrs. Guerrero's class in 5th grade. Remember that your child should be completing 40 minutes of Lexia per week to do their best and earn certificates and learn more about language arts. I want to thank you so much for being a part of our first ever virtual monthly awards assembly. Have a wonderful day.